Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Blackhead Remover. ELFINA Black Mask Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Purifying Blackhead Peel Off Mask. Oh, this is nice, really nice. Pores extractor mask, deep cleaning, oil control, and it comes with 50 milliliters. Deep cleaning blackhead remover. Oh, if it effectively clean the blackheads, whiteheads, acne, oil spots on the face and work well on strawberry noses. Blackhead mask helps exfoliates away dulling skin cells for softness and clarity. Tighten pores. Upgraded formula peel off mask has unique strong absorption and deep cleaning function. Could remove stubborn stain or old spots on face, which will makes your pores smaller after single use, and it comes with a brush. Shrink and smooth skin. The facial mask is made from natural ingredients, non-chemical and not toxic. The black mask contains vitamins, nutrients, extracts within essential to your skin health. And this is what you get if you buy this product. I bought it, and there is an instruction manual. There is a black mask, and of course the brush, and all of this kind we will take control. There's a black liquid inside, easy to peel off and easy to use, fit for all types of skins. So it's a multi set up mask. Black peel off mask could deep clean your face, and we are going to make this now at my skin. For example, my nose. Let's start with this. Let's go. Clean first your face, especially the nose, and put a hot towel on it for about 10 minutes. I did it, and now we are ready to use the mask. Good job. Apply appropriate amount of the black mask cream to the black heads or pores. Avoid eyes, lips, and eyebrows, of course. But for this example, we will only use my nose for this. And as you can see, I use the brush to make a little bit of this mask component on to my nose. This is deep black. It's so beautiful, as you can see. I can color my nose with this easily, and it has a wet feeling. A strong wet feeling, and it's easy to get it on my skin, really easy. Only press the mask out of the bottle, then take 3 dips of this, and it makes all of your skin area at the nose in the surface, as you can see. Good job, easy going. And now we have to wait for the mask to dry about 20 until 30 minutes. It is not hard to wait a long time. It's okay if but you have to wait 20 until 30 minutes, because earlier it's not hard enough to extract your blackheads out of the skin. Yeah, this is beautiful. Nice guy, as you can see it, with a black nose. Maybe it's the black death. Oh no, it's not the black death. It's the black mask. That is funny, isn't it? Gently now peel off the mask from the bottom to top, and then clean the skin with water. Finally continue with your normal skin routine. Suitable for oily skin or those with strawberry nose, those with large pores and blackheads. This is my nose, blackheads nose. Those who have experience long-term use of computer and TV vans. And as you can see, there are so many blackheads inside the mask. Yeah, there it is. It works. Maybe you have to repeat this mask about 2 or 3 times a week, and in a short time your blackheads are gone. This is nice. It's comfortable and easy to use, and it's easy, nice, good product, really. I tried it, as you can see. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. May soon.